If you're looking for a serum that targets dryness, breakouts, and hyperpigmentation all at once, then the Herbal Skin Solutions Super Booster Serum is for you. Hi, I'm Samantha, a licensed esthetician in Pembroke Pines, Florida, and today I want to walk you through the benefits, ingredients, and how-tos of this amazing serum. Think of this serum as a reset button for your skin, packed with powerful ingredients that address multiple concerns at once. It features a multi-weight hyaluronic acid complex, which means it hydrates every layer of your skin. For those new to ingredient knowledge, hyaluronic acid comes in different molecular weight. Higher weights hydrate the surface, while lower weights penetrate deeper for more thorough hydration. This serum uses a blend, so every layer of your skin gets that boost of moisture. Alongside the hyaluronic acid, we've got Mandelic acid, a naturally derived, gentle alpha hydroxy acid that helps exfoliate without causing sensitivity. So when you combine it with the deep hydration of hyaluronic acid, you get smooth, radiant skin that truly glows. If you've ever struggled with redness, an oily T-zone, or uneven skin tone, this serum is your best friend. It also contains niacinamide, which helps balance oil production, fade dark spots, and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. When your skin barrier is strong, it helps keep oil production in check and prevents breakouts. To use this serum, whether you're at home or in a treatment room, you'll cleanse the skin, mist any of the plant waters or pH balanced toner, and then apply a couple pumps to the dampened skin. Ideally, you want to do this in the evening because AHAs can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Nighttime is my personal recommendation for application. Gently press it into your skin and then follow up with a moisturizer like the Healing Cream Barrier Support Moisturizer and a facial oil like Neroli Nirvana. If you're a professional, this serum is fantastic for acne clients or those who need a gentle boost without a full peel or to accelerate peel results. It is incredibly effective in combination with nano-infusion treatments as well. Think of this serum as a multivitamin for your skin, gentle enough for daily use and delivering real, visible results.